Many guys, you're actually chasing after women that don't like you. This is a very, very common, typical thing that happens. Crucial error that a lot of guys make. Trying to finesse her into liking you. Trying to convince her into liking you. Bro, you're playing a very dangerous game if you're doing that. Because she doesn't like you. So if you do manage to finesse your way into a relationship with her, there's nothing genuine about this union, and she will walk away from you. And at the end of the day, you're going to probably put a lot of investment and you're going to do a lot of simping to try and keep her. But you can't keep her because she don't like you. That's why you should never lead with your wallet. No man should lead with their wallet. Because if you're leading with your wallet, you're probably dating women that don't like you. If a woman demands that you take her somewhere expensive on a first date, she probably doesn't like you. If you're with a woman who demands that you spend lots of money on presents for her and extravagant things, she probably doesn't like you. There's a lot of you guys, you go and listen to these high value men who try to give you dating advice about women, and they tell you that, oh, you got to get your money up, bro, and you need to be, you know, some kind of millionaire, and then women will want to be with you. What kind of women, bro? If you couldn't attract them before and now you've got money and now they're sniffing around you, that means they don't like you. Very, very simple equation. You're dealing with somebody, they're just there with you because of your resources, or they're there with you because of clout, or they're there with you because of, I don't know, popularity, or maybe they're going to get some kind of benefit of being around you or being seen with you or something like that. Bro, that person will leave you at the drop of a hat. And then you're going to be heartbroken because you think that this union is actually real. You think that you love them and they love you. A lot of guys think that just because they're sleeping with somebody, that means that that person must really like them. No, bruv, no. Just because somebody is letting you stick your willy inside their box, it doesn't mean that they genuinely like or care about you. Probably not the first guy that they've done that with. Guys, you need to be very, very aware of your emotions, of your mental state. All this falling in love, I'm sorry, is a very dangerous thing. You need to be very, very cautious of who you get into a relationship with. Not ignore red flags, because those red flags are there for a reason. Those red flags are there to save your life. Because guess what? Heartbreak is very destructive. Another thing that a lot of guys need to understand, a lot of these 304s out here, they don't like guys. They don't actually like men, bro. Like, they like what they can get out of you, but they don't like you. That's why a lot of them are so adamant that you have to pay. Why are they making you pay? Because they don't like you, bruv. Because if they liked you, you don't have to pay. Guess what? I've dated girls and I've not spent no money. In fact, the women have spent money on me. I've been with women that made 6 figures and they come and pick me up at my house. They drive to my house and then they drive both of us to her house. And then I stay at her house and then she still makes me food in her house. I still don't pay no money. And guess what? She's driven me back to my house. That's when a girl actually likes you. You know, when you meet up with girls and the first time you meet, you go to the gym with them. They don't expect no dinner, no drinks, no alcohol and all this rubbish. Or, oh, you got to go to shisha, you got to buy steak and all this rubbish. Oh, bro, I don't come from that life. And to be honest, when I've talked to women and they start talking all of that expensive date rubbish, I just realized the girl that don't actually like me like that. Because if she did like me like that, she wouldn't need that. It wouldn't be a requirement. This is facts. I even saw, there was a video I saw where there was a woman that said this as well. She said that guys need to stop taking women out on dates. She said it, bro. And the other women on the show was trying to shut her up and tell her to be quiet. And she was like, no, she was like, men, stop trying to take these women out on these stupid dinner dates and all of this stuff, spending all this money, because really and truly, you're dating women that don't like you. A lot of women, they will just date you because they're bored, or maybe they want a free meal or whatever, like, but they don't actually have no intention of dating you, kissing you, sleeping with you, or anything. They don't like you, fam. And because guys are so thirsty, and guys are so kind of silly at times, because they're thinking with their little head, they think they're getting somewhere. You're not getting anywhere, bro. And again, as I said earlier, if you even manage to getting into some kind of relationship with you, brother, your your future is bleak. Your future is dark, because she's going to leave you eventually. Or she's probably cheating on you as well. She's probably cheating on you, or she's going to leave you, bro. It's one of the two, fam. And as I said, as this lady was saying in the video, she was saying, stop trying to take these women out on these expensive dates. If the woman actually likes you, she'll be cool with a coffee. She'll be cool with a walk in the park, just seeing you, or walking around the shopping center. Not shopping, but just being out and about with you. And that's true, because I've lived that life. I don't even say dates. I just say I'll go and meet up with a girl. You know, she'll buy me something. I'll buy her something. Very, very cheap. Very, very calm. Very, very casual. And because the girl actually likes me, she's okay with it. The only time you should actually really start investing, especially monetary, like financially, into a woman that you're seeing, is when she's already your girlfriend. She's already showed a level of investment herself. Because again, a lot of women, bro, like, they got a lot of options out there, and they don't really care about you as a guy. They don't really care about you. So that is what it is. So guys, all I want to say is this, yeah. Listen, never idol worship the woman you're with. Never idol worship her. Do not make the woman you're with your God. God is God. Then there's you. Then there's your woman there. All right? That's the order it should be, because anything else, you're looking for trouble, in my opinion. This society is very, very wishy-washy, man. This society, you can't really put too much faith in anything. The only thing you can have faith in is the Most High. Apart from that, like, everything else is, right, here today, gone tomorrow. Most marriages and relationships are ended by women. Now, obviously, not every single time it's just the woman, like, leaving for no reason, but I think a lot of the reasons why these relationships will end will be over things that are superficial, like money or just boredom. Guys, listen, your goals, your dreams, your aspirations, your success in life needs to be a second priority after the Most High. That needs to be second priority, because guess what? If you're successful and you reach your goals and ambitions, you're going to be a happier person, and then, you know, by proxy, you know, you're going to be living a happy life, and the woman that you're with is going to be happy being with you. Your woman's meant to be your help mate. Yeah, your number one fan, your supporter.